Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I will show you how we can add scale bar to our microscopic images. So in this example you can see the authors have added scale bar to their microscopic images. So in this example I will show you how you can add scale bar to this microscopic image using this ImageJ software. So as you know, this ImageJ software is totally free for research and you can download it from Google. And after installing, first we can open that image by going to the file and we can click on this open. So we can open that image. So as here you can see now that image has been opened and you can see its properties, its length and width is mentioned in the pixels. So first we can change its properties and we can change its unit. As here you can see now it is in pixel width. So if we want in centimeters, so we can simply write centimeters. If we want in millimeters, so we can simply write millimeter, and if we want to write in micron meter, so we can mention micron meter. So I will recommend you to not to change these parameters like channels, slices and frames. All these should be set to the 1. So now in this example we want micron meter. So after this we will simply write micron meter, and other things like pixel height and voxel depth we don't need to change, and simply we can click on this OK. So as here you can see now it has been changed to the micron meter as well. So now we want to add scale bar. To add scale bar we can go to this analyze option, and after that we can go to this tools and we can click on this scale bar. So as here you can see now scale bar is actually added in this panel, and from here we can adjust the width. As here you can see now this length is actually showing 100 micron meter, but let me increase its font size so that you can see. Maybe we can write like 30. So as here you can see the text or the font size is increased, and from here we can increase its thickness. Maybe we can write like 8, and if you want to make it like 200 width in micron meter, so it will automatically increase its length. So as here you can see this is now 200 micron meter. So you can adjust the width according to your own purpose. Like if you want 250, so it will automatically adjust this length. So you can use same for your all panels. Like if you are using 100 micron meter for all, so then this length will be automatically adjusted. And from here you can select the color, like you can select the red one and similarly blue one also, and the yellow one. And from here you can select the background from, like we can select black or yellow one. Yeah, yellow one would not show you. Yeah, here is the green, but maybe we can go with the white one or the none. Yeah, maybe we can go with none. And from here we can adjust the location of this scale bar, the upper right corner or the lower left or the upper left, or add selection. And similarly maybe it is good if we can add on the lower right. And from here we can change horizontal to vertical as well, and if we want only both. And from here we can also hide the text, and if we want to mention the 100 micron meter, if we want to mention this in figure legends, then maybe we can hide the text. And if we don't want to mention in the figure legend, then we have to mention within this panel. And from here we can change the fonts. As here you can see maybe the first one is good, so here is good to go. Now you can take a snapshot of this, or you can directly save this image and use it in your research article. So hopefully this video will be helpful in adding the scale bar to your images. If you have still any question in adding the scale bar to your images, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.